Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, let me show you how to select your store for pickup on your Pop Mart. Hey guys, so if you're wondering how to select your store for pickup on Pop Mart, then here's a quick guide on it. So when checking out on Pop Mart app or website, add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. And then under the delivery method, choose the store pickup instead of home delivery. You'll then be prompted to refer or select your preferred Pop Mart store. Use the search or map feature to find the nearest location. So you want to confirm your choice and then select your payment method. Once your order is processed, you'll receive a pickup confirmation notification or a QR code in your Pop Mart account or email. Lastly, simply bring this code and a valid ID to your selected store to collect your items. And that's it on how to select your store pickup on your Pop Mart.